Uy, si Sheila.
Lamig kaya.
Ang galing mo, nasa loob ka ng bahay. Lumabas ka. Ito na yung ating stuntman. Kamanis gamit. It's wet eh. Teka, Ethan ha? You ready?
How do you know I don't want to do it?
No, you do it. Come on. Yeah, ready. Oh, go, 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 go. Stop up. Oh, dear. Oh, there's another one. It's like a wet one. There, oh, go, 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 come here, come here. Hide, hide, hide. Hide, Ethan. Come here. Did it fall? Oh, there, it fell already. There, can you hear it? It's everywhere. Whoosh! Ano ba? Sira ulo. Sira ulo. Ah, ganda no? Oh, ano yun? Oh God, ang lakas! Oh God! Ang lakas din bigyan. Yes, maraming fireworks ngayon. Nanood tayo ng fireworks dito sa taas ng bahay. Dito minute. Nasa taas ako ng bahay ngayon. Kasi bonfire night dito sa UK. Teka, on natin ilaw para kita nyo ako. Hindi nyo kita. Bonfire night dito sa UK. Celebration namin ngayon. Papakita ko sa inyo sa window ha. Teka, patayin natin to. Oh. See? Ganda. Bonfire night dito ngayon. So, ngayong araw, marami nagpapaputok. Ang araw, gabi na, gabi. Gabi na dito. Alas 7 ng gabi. Ayan, may mga fireworks. Malalayo iba eh. Marami nagpapaputok. Madilim. Hindi ko alam kung kaya ng camera ko to. Ano na tayo? Miguel? Meron tayong dala dito. Ano to? Nabili ko sa Bukawi. Lahat to. Magpapaputok tayo dahil bonfire night ngayon sa UK. Ayan, oh. Miguel, tulungan mo ako. Tignan mo naman to. Kailangan natin paputukin to. Hindi lahat ha. I-save ko iba dito para sa New Year. O, ready kayo? Miguel, accepted mo ba ang challenge?
Yeah.
Anong gusto mo bang paputukin dyan?
I mean, all
All of them? Are you crazy? All of them. Grabe lahat. Tingnan natin. Buksan mo nga ito, Miguel. We have to open one of them. Ito, Freedom 76. I think set it up. Take all the fuse out. Get all the fuse ready. Para at least when we go out there, it's all ready. That's all we have to do. Just light them up. Light it up. Yan. Safe to, safe. Ang lamig daw. Tingnan mo naman si Sheila. Sheila, balot na balot. Grabe. What is it?
which ones?
I think not all of them. Just get the things that you want to light up. Also, we need what else do we need? I don't think we have rockets, are we? Wala akong rocket. Ito lang ating rocket. No, may rocket to. May rocket to ni ito oh.
Rocket.
Ng festival fountain.
Rocket
Parade.
First
Anyway, we'll try it on. Just get all the fuse out. Atin yan, may rocket ba yan?
This one
Ito
is
meron
UNC,
kami.
Sobrang
Ano ba yan?
lamig.
Ano nasa Eskimo?
Sobrang
Ano,
lamig.
mag-i-snow na ba ni? Tingnan mo naman to. Wala naman rocket
Ayoko na
dito.
mabas kasi lamig
Kasi meron dito, aerial shoot tube, wheel. I don't think we're able to do the wheel, are we? Because we have to set it up. 10 fountains, 20 Roman candles. Do you wanna do the Roman candle, Ethan?
So,
You just hold it, you just pop.
Nakatrip muna ako bago lumabas.
Yeah, shall we try that one? No, no, we need that. That's the fuse. And what else do we need? Festival fountain. Ito yung mga paputok natin. Nabili natin kanina sa Asda. Some of them, ito, since last year to, nakatago lang. Ito, parang rocket siya eh. I think we have to, shall we do one of these?
Yeah.
Yan, we'll do one of these.
Definitely.
We'll pick one. Pick one for that. Yan, one. Yan na,
Even
lahat
you have
to.
to change into your jacket. It's so cool.
Yan, ito, for New Year. For New Year to, ito, gagamitin natin. Lahat to, itatali natin sa puno.
Halaman ko
Sa
Pag
halaman
yung
mo to
halaman
ni.
ko.
Sa halaman mo. Halika na, let's go. Let's go, mga chikitings. Uy, si Sheila.
Lamig kaya.
Ang galing mo, nasa loob ka ng bahay.
Dito ako kasi
Lumabas ka.
pajamas.
Ito na yung ating stuntman. Come on, Miguel. Ayun yung stuntman natin. Magpapaputok na si Miggy. Miggy. Ethan, you ready? I think we need somewhere we can put it. Saan natin lalagay, no? Tingnan, dilim. Hindi natin makita yung sarili natin. Hindi ko kayo makita. Ethan, Miguel. Sayaw ka nga. I can't see you.
It's probably everywhere.
Ethan, don't go there. Come here.
We might just get this
Yeah, Ethan.
Come here, come here.
again because I have my lighter. I took it out. I took it out.
Dami nagpapaputok. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Ready?
How are you gonna stick it?
Get pot. Get a small pot. Get one of those pots. No, here. Miguel. Oh, that one. That one with the soil. Yeah, use one.
What?
Oh, nagpapaputok oh. Woo! Bonfire night in the UK.
Make this.
Ayun na. Stand back, Ethan.
Use this.
No, you have to light it up first.
Then why do you put
Light it up. Ano ba to? Ano ba to? Blair Witch Project? Ethan, ha? You ready?
Actually, no, I don't want to do it.
No, you do it. Come on.
ready?
Yeah, ready. Oh, go, 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 go. Stand back. Oh. Oh dear. Oh, Ethan, what's next? What do we have next? Oh, nawala na yung apoy. Hipan mo. Blow it.
Okay.
Ito, Ethan. Pick it up. Roman candle. Ayun yung handle, oh. Ayun yung fuse, oh. Here. There's a fuse.
Ano?
Dyan mo hawakan yan. Hindi. Ganun, oh. Light it up. Parang bagong taon dito. Ayun na. Is that all? Just the three of them. Put it there. Put it there. Oh yeah, put it there. Whoa, you know. Whoa. Damn it. It sounds like there's more people today, isn't it? Than last year. Oh, Ethan, you ready? Uy! Ano ba yun? Miguel. Did you see that? Oh, it's coming off. Debris from the fireworks. Oh, no, there's another one. Whoa. Okay, come here, Ethan, come here. Don't go there. Don't go there. Oh, see? Oh, God. Did you hear that? God's sake. Oh, there's another one. It's like a weapon. Dear me, oh, go, 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 come here, come here. Hide, hide, hide. Hide, Ethan. Come here. Did it fall? Oh, there, it fell already. There, can you hear? It's everywhere. Whoosh. Oh, ready, Ethan? Come on, Ethan, light it up. Light it up, light it up. I don't think they're gonna look at that. That's the stick that fell a while ago. See? Laki ng
Should I light
debris, oh. No, it's finished. Look at that. If that fell on your head. Ready, Ethan? Light it up. Let's see. Hey! Oh, go, go, go. Hindi naman niya sasabog. Whoa. Ay, bumagsak, Ethan. Ethan. Bumagsak. Bumagsak yung firework. Oh, see? Sayang bumagsak. I think you have to put it in the pot next time. Miguel.
What's this one?
Ano lang yun, maliliit.
No,
You wanna try it?
It's stuck.
I think it comes with the box. Oh, it comes with the box. Put it on this. Oh, bakit eh? Where? Yung fireworks. Usok na dito. Mas marami nagpaputok this year, no? Yan, bonfire night dito ngayon. Ang dami nagpapaputok ngayon. Compared last year, no? Wala masyado last year. This year, mas marami nagpapaputok. Para akong Blair Witch nito. Tingnan mo, oh. Ethan. Come on, Ethan. Hey,
Why would you do it down there?
come on. At the end, at the
Yeah,
tip.
at the end.
Why
We
you
can't
doing-
run away then.
That's a fuse. You give you few seconds to run. Oh, yun na. Oh. Ano ba? Sira ulo. Sira ulo. Ah, ganda, no? Oh, ano yun? Oh, God, ang lakas. Oh, God. Ang lakas din, Miguel. Oh. Dear me, hindi ko nakita tuloy yung fireworks ko. Ang lakas na nakita mo.
Natatawa ko na sa kapitbahay.
Saan galing yun? Saan galing yun ni?
Ano yung kapitbahay natin na bago?
Grabe. Oo nga no. Oh, here, this one. Eto. Oh, ano ba yun? Nagpalisinti ka na naman. Wow. Ano ba yun? Ano ba yun? Si Miguel. Miguel, ay. Yan, Meg. Sige nga, Meg. Takbo, takbo. Takbo. Lahat to fountain ni. Sangkatutak na fountain yung binili natin. Isa lang yung ano. Ay. Lahat kasi ng racket na, ubos na. Naubos na lahat ng mga racket na binibenta. Ay. Yung bagong kapitbahay namin, grabe magpaputok. Talagang Pilipino ata yun eh. Pag nagpaputok eh.
Pupunta
Grabe.
dito eh.
Muntik na pumunta dito yung paputok kanina. Yung nakita niya doon, biglang, ewan ko ba kung anong ginawa niya.
Binibigay yan sa
Yung direction ng paputok papunta sa atin eh.
Okay, do it now.
Grabe, dapat bumalik tayo.
Lights are up again.
Ito naman.
Eh, puro fountain yung binili.
Puro fountain. So, wala tong kalaban-laban. Wala tong kalaban-laban yun. Oh,
How about this?
ano, nabasa?
Yeah.
Oh, great. It's wet. Paano na yan?
Yep.
Ayun na. Itan, Itan. Kanina. Grabe, ang ganda, no? Ay, second one. Okay, may purple, no? Ang galing, no? Is that it? You got no more? Yeah, let's have a look.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, 3 of them. Sige na, come on. Let's go inside.
Huh.
Ayun, it's finished. Ubus na may isang box. Ayun, salamat sa pamanood ulit. Tapos na ang bonfire night namin dito sa UK. Oh, say goodbye, Mig.
See you.
Oh, wait a minute, I have to start first.
Mabuhay.
Mabuhay, there you go.
Mabuhay.
Welcome to our channel. This is my friend.
Yeah.
Chris. Wait, I can't see myself. And Iko, this is my sister. We're gonna shout out a few people in our channel, which is Rion. Here's the name. Mabuhay. Say Mabuhay.
Mabuhay.
Take your mask off. Take it off. You're fine. Yeah, we have to.
Say bike tail.
Back tire, the subscriber.
You say that song.
Buddy.
Buddy Dawa.
Buddy Dawa.
No Small World.
North Small World. And where are you?
Francis Ganja.
Frank not Gandhi. Dawa. No, Francis Ganya.
Francis
Not
Ganja.
So, now where are you? Bong
Bong Taro.
Taro.
Alice Wilson.
That's easy.
You say
And
that song.
we have to say goodbye now. Yeah. Thank you.
Salamat.
Thank you. Thank you.